Hello everyone, my name is Mikołaj Woźniak and today I want to share with you the results of our work on augmenting posture awareness for beginner golfers. This project was held collaboratively by Łódź University of Technology in Poland and Utrecht University and VU Amsterdam in the Netherlands. The game of golf becomes more and more popular worldwide, providing the benefits of light physical activity to millions of amateurs. However, golf requires extensive training before it can be fully enjoyed. Proper posture that enables ball control involves a set of complex movements that need to be highly coordinated. Therefore, awareness of one's posture is crucial to reach the desired performance. To address these challenges, we studied related sources and consulted expert golf coaches. Based on our initial analysis, we formulated two main research questions. We wanted to study whether a swing feedback system can aid beginner golfers in adjusting their posture for improved performance, and try to establish what is the optimal modality for providing real-time swing feedback. We initiated a user-centered design process to create a research prototype that will enable us to explore these questions empirically. We designed and evaluated Subtletee, a feedback system that helps beginner golfers align their bodies for improved swing performance. We designed our system in a user-centered process involving experts and coaches and competition players. We established that our system shall aid players in controlling two elements of the golf swing: body weight balance and elbow position. Consequently, our system monitored weight distribution and alignment of players' feet and sensed the elbow position. Striving for high ecological validity and integration into current training procedures, we implemented our system using a customer-grade golf mat and provided an additional wearable device. We designed three different feedback modalities for Subtletee: audio, visual, and vibrotactile. Audio feedback used a frequency-based metaphor to indicate balance disruptions, similar to the one used in parking sensors. Visual feedback was provided using in-situ LED displays and color coding. Vibrotactile stimuli were provided using wearable bands and players' cuffs. Location and coding for each feedback modality was established in a series of pre-studies. Please see our papers for more details of their design. To investigate if Subtletee can aid beginner golfers in maintaining posture and determine what modality was most suited for the swing feedback, we conducted a within-subject experiment. We deployed Subtletee at a local driving range and invited beginner golfers to participate in a study where they took series of swings. We conducted an experiment with 20 beginner golfers. Our experimental design focused on understanding the effect of different feedback modalities. The form of feedback provided was our independent variable, with four conditions examined: no feedback, visual feedback, audio feedback, and vibration feedback. Participants took 10 shots per condition. Their performance was video recorded. These recordings were later processed and rated by 3 different coaches who assessed the quality of swings using 10-point Likert scale. We measured the cognitive load required to complete the task using the NASA TLX scale. The usability of the different versions of the system was measured using the system usability scale. Additionally, we logged how many elbow bend and weight imbalance errors were triggered in the conditions as indicators of how often and how fast a correct posture was assumed. We also conducted post-hoc semi-structured interviews to gather qualitative feedback from the players. We found that vibration and visual feedback led to increased swing quality as assessed by the coaches. Moreover, audio feedback led to significantly more errors triggered when preparing for the shot, comparing to other modalities. This signifies the advantage of visual and vibration feedback. Vibration and visual feedback were also considered more usable than audio feedback. Audio feedback was also rated significantly more frustrating than the other modalities. During their interviews, players claimed that they feel more confident and self-aware when posture feedback is provided. Many users expressed this willingness to use such system as a regular companion to individual training sessions. Through our evaluation, We confirmed our hypothesis that providing posture feedback to beginner golfers increases the quality of their swing. Considering the feedback modalities, it is not possible to indicate the optimal one, with both vibrotactile and visual feedback contributing to better performance. Audio modality turned out to be insufficiently usable and frustrating, leading to more errors in body alignment. Thank you very much for your attention. We invite you to read our paper for a detailed description of the design and evaluation of Subtletee.